Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial on VRBO. Today in this video tutorial, I will show you how to be a premier host on VRBO. Now, to become a premier host on VRBO, you need to have some eligibilities in order to go and in order to join as a premier host. Now, premier hosts, you cannot just become a premier host. They will actually invite you, so VRBO will actually invite you to their program, Premier Host Program. So as you can see here, just some of the eligibility factors and program eligibility. So as you can see, your eligibility is based on all your listings in your account achieving the following. So you need to have an average review rating of 4.3 or higher. You need to have a booking acceptance rate of 90% or higher. You need to be an owner-initiated, or you need to have an owner-initiated cancellation rate of 5% or lower, 3 or more VRBO reviews as well, and 5 bookings or 60 booked nights. This is the eligibility. Now, once you have all of these, as you can see, you can track your progress. The Premier Host Scorecard located under Performance in your dashboard actually tracks your progress toward achieving Premier Host status. Now, once you once you achieve that, basically every quarter, VRBO will review your Premier Host status to determine whether you still qualify for the program or not. Now, they can also kick you out of the program as well, as far as I've heard, but they can also invite you into the program. As you can see, this is basically made on quarterly assessments, so this will take place on February the 1st, May the 1st, August the 1st, and November the 1st. So yeah, if you want to go and if you want to become a premier host on VRBO, you will have to put in some work in order to achieve that. So if you want more videos on VRBO, definitely check out our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.